Hello, my friends. How are you doing? This is Jeannette from Makeup Artist, filming from San Antonio, Texas, and I'm coming for the second video of the day. I have, as I told you, some surprises, and I'm going to be showing just part of them because it's very overwhelming for me to show everything at once. But look what I just got. Meanwhile, I was filming, my friends, I couldn't be more excited. I got not only one, but look at this. I was waiting for my product. And I need one more, but 2 orders. And it is a third one, but I still not receiving it. But it is what it is. So my friends, I invite you, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Okay, since I'm bringing to the table a lot of new things. I'm been actually buying that according to my criteria, they are worth of the investment. So my channel doesn't have any sponsor, and everything item over here, I buy it with the help of my darling husband. 2 things I ordered, and I ordered Dior stuff as well, but I ordered this Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Radiant Enhancer. Okay, it is a Sculptor and Illuminator Corrector, and I picked the shade Light because, as you know, I use all Tom Ford product. So this look like having a rosy undertone. So let me see what it is about. I was waiting for this product, friends, with a lot of anxiousness. Oh yes, it's pink, because you know I have really purple dark circle. So this literally, it is like a primer, okay, but it's a primer that cancels a dark circle. If it is the case, my friends, you have like a bluish purple dark circle, always use a pink undertone corrector. But with me, friends, the problem it is I can't use any corrector like the regular corrector, because they feel super heavy on my skin. Wow, the product set literally instantly. I can't wait, friends. I can't wait to use it. This is my new purchase. I'm so excited because you have no idea the struggle I have with my dark circle. My dark circle are literally in the whole inner V of my eyes. So I normally use 2 shades on concealers just to be able to fix that problem, okay? The next, I hope that is impeccable. It is this stunning palette from Tom Ford, the second eyeshadow he launched, and it is 46 Creme Ember Bronze. Okay, I hear from a lot of people on YouTube that they had a lot of issues with this palette on the dry wet formula, which is like the metallic shade. I hope with all my heart. Oh, it is impeccable. Look, friends, look at this. Friends, this is the 46 Creme Ember Bronze. My loves, I'm going to proceed and do right away all of the swatches. So you know, because I just finished this makeup look using the 45 iconic smoky or smoke. Okay, so this is the second palette he launched. I couldn't be more excited, my loves. Oh, very beautiful experience ordering from his website. It was pretty quick. I won't lie to you. So these come on the regular brown, friends. Look what just happened. Same thing a lot of people are experiencing. I would like for you to see what just happened. The shade here, the bronze shade collapsed, but fortunately it collapsed on my slate station, okay? But don't worry, I'm going to fix it. So I'm going to do some swatches. I don't know why this is happening, but I hear last night and the day before yesterday, then that specific shade is being really unstable on the palette. So if you just got the palette, I'm encouraging you right now to don't put the palette like a straight, okay? Like I just did. One shade is super soft and is the beige. I don't want to put the palette in a position in which I'm going to lose more of the product. That is the 46 Creme Ember Ember Bronze. The palette is just beautiful. I can see 1, 2, 3 creamy shades. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. They are matte, but they are extremely creamy and soft to the finger. And the metallic shade, which is the bronze, praise God, and the shade fall in 2 pieces. Okay, so I can just recover this when I finish with the demo. And highly pigmented, one stroke, and gives you a beautiful payoff. I am a true light skin. This is going to be the next tutorial, okay? So Ember Bronze, number 46, couldn't be more beautiful. And my shade an Illuminator, an Illuminate, Enhancer, and Corrector. Okay, so I picked the shade Light. And friends, I'm not upset, to be honest, even though the palette is extremely expensive, but I'm going to make a call about the issue. So, or I return the palette and they bring me a new one, or I can just fix this one and just let it go. So I will be doing one of those things. So I was doing just this second video of the day to show what I just got. Okay, so thank you so much, my friend, for staying with me. I'm not the only one facing this problem. Let me see if I can show to you so you can have an idea what is happening here. Look, that is part of half of the pigment that just fall off. So I'm going to put it back on the pen and I'm going to press it. It is not that it's very dry. Must be a malfunction, you know, but it's this shade. It's the only metallic shade that you can see on the palette. But I hear already from 2 or 3 other influencers having the same issue. This is the other half. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm going to deposit it on the pen and let us see if I can fix it. So sometimes, you know, with the formulation are really fine, and this can happen. I haven't present this problem very often with any of the high-end brands, but this one, for some reason, is collapsing from the palette, okay? So let me tell you, I'm pressing. Look, the mess. I'm pressing it on the pen, so probably it stay. If not, I will return the palette, okay? So let us see how this is going to perform, friends. But as you can see on my finger here, oh wow, this shade, it is just beautiful. So thank you so much, my loves. I say goodbye for now, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use the same tray to put pressure on the pigment. It's working. So instead of putting my finger there, look what I'm doing. I'm going to every single corner and pressing down, okay? So if you are getting this palette, friends, be careful when you open the palette, okay? So you don't want this to happen in your new and expensive purchase. So thank you very much. I say goodbye for now, my loves. I'm going to speed up with all the editing so you can have access to every single makeup look I've been doing this week. I filmed 4 to 5 videos this week, so I'm now editing. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, please. And I'm going to be doing next this palette from Tom Ford. Look like nothing happened. I press it back and down, and the shade is back in place. I don't know what it is, but the shade is just a dream, friend. You know, this reminds me a little bit of the shade of the Cherry Smoke and Electric Cherry. I've seen this shade on those palettes, and we will be doing comparisons and everything, friends, okay? So thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for being with my craziness. Thank you for enjoying with me and cheering, you know, and enjoying this cup of tea that is a mega tea now. It is a mega container for my tea, but what I can do in those days when my body is under recovery and I need the energy. So I don't do pre-workouts. So for you to know, I don't do any kind of supplement except for glutamine. Glutamine are amino acid. So thank you. I love you all. I hope to see you very soon again. Thank you so much. Bye.